Now look here, y'all. This is why I'm always talking about the sunroof maintenance. As you can see, debris sitting here, and if you're not careful, it'll get inside these tracks, right? And it can cause your drain plug. Go ahead. Look at this. This stuff just falling everywhere. You ain't even paying attention. Get off my car. Get off. Get. No, seriously though. Sunroof maintenance. That little piece of acorn could cost you a lot of money. So just be mindful of sunroof maintenance. But I will say this: it's important that you open these sunroofs at least 2 to 3 times per week. Reason being because there's a lot of moving parts, and if you're not opening and closing it, guess what? When you need it to open, she may not open. So this debris here, we're going to get that off. Let me see. Let me see if I can reach it. Let me see. I got it. So we got it off of there now. Yeah. Get that off of there. And I don't normally keep this open, y'all. And that's why, because when you have trees like this, they can really cause you some problems with your sunroof. Like I said, falling inside these tracks, water will back up on the inside of your car, mess up your headliner, cause all kind of water damage, okay? So just stay mindful of these sunroofs.